everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Please go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, now the update of that man for Libya, where they go, they beat, carry our girls go Libya, go they beat them for there, they suffer there. You can't carry them for a family and you know go tell them say now wetin he want go use them take do na be that one, my darling people. This man they wicked though, very evil man. Evil way past this man, you know dey this world again, my darling people. So na e get one of my better follower wey be say e dey suffer dey give me the information wey dey there. So today now I come here say, because many of una go don see the video wey that man take beat that girl. He beat the girl so tey he carry the girl kpekus begin dey use koboko take dey wipe her kpekus. Why? They say because now I come dey hear many information. They say because the girl, when they bring the girl come, the girl say no one also, you know, go because they lie to them for Nigeria, say they want come, maybe you learn hairdresser, does not the work you want go do there. If you can't reach there, you come say another thing they can't use you they do for there. You understand? So my darling people, now the girl can say he no go fit do that also. So now they maltreat the girl ever since. So the girl now come out, go see one boyfriend where they date for day. Now as he come back, now they begin they beat her like this. So now the man, I beg, this evil man they run and they don't know where he did. So my darling people, now the man now nobody know where the man dey because they beat the girl, they tie the girl for ground. I beg, una need to watch this video, una need to share this video. I beg, so that the family of the girl go know, if not their own, make them know. Because wetin this man do, they really have to really deal with this man. Today, now come here now say they don't arrest his wife now. They don't arrest his wife, so they don't know where his wife dey now. The man, they don't arrest his wife today now. I just dey hear the information, but they don't agree make they snap them. They don't just come pay me inside. They don't agree make they snap the woman. Eh?
They say the girl is there Biafra place, so they don't lock her for Biafra place. Men Nigeria people go Biafra place for Abukefi. All of them are the same feathers. They say they don't catch him, the wife. They don't catch him wife. They lock him for Biafra place. Where they go catch him. Where they go catch him. Or go kill him. Or go damage in life. Or anybody where they maltreat girls bad for this country. They don't go see better. Unterminate death. Now go be their portion. Both shop or not. Both Abdullah where they Sukra. All of them, the many.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening.
Evening. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm very sorry. I'm a shaman from Tripoli.
From Tripoli?
Exactly. Am I speaking with Schoolboy?
Yes, you are speaking with good Schoolboy.
Fine. I watch a video right now.
Yes.
Fine. What the guy just do for you? Hello?
Hello, Joshua. I hear you.
What the guy just do for you to be beating her like that? Hello?
I hear you.
I just want to know what the guy did to you for you to be beating her like that.
Okay, you are from Tripoli, right?
Exactly.
You watch the video and the thing annoyed you.
Exactly.
Oh, sorry, brother, don't be offended. This is not Schoolboy. This is one of our Buketi members. The woman, the Schoolboy wife is in the ghetto right now. We seized her phone.
Okay.
Are you hearing me?
Exactly.
Schoolboy, we are looking for Schoolboy right now.
Okay.
If you know anywhere Schoolboy is, just give us intel, then we'll call you back. Anywhere we catch him, there will be a problem. You are from Tripoli, right?
No, right there. I came from Sabah, from Benghazi. You understand? And I too personally, what I just need from you is that I will send you my WhatsApp number, and I need a picture of that Schoolboy. I am going to get the guy for you.
We are even looking for the idiot.
Hello?
We are looking for the idiot too.
Just imagine how he did to the lady.
The wife is in the ghetto right now as we are speaking.
I beg, just hello. Hold the wife for me. Just hold the wife. I'm going to call you back.
If you can come down right now, we'll show you the wife. We'll show her.
Okay, fine. Let me use my WhatsApp number to call you right now.
That's the problem we talk to.
When I see the way people really they get interest for this matter, because this man na very wicked man, very wicked. Hey God, oh, why now the woman picture me need now because they don't catch him now. So make them make sure say they beat the woman the way the husband they beat this girl. Make them make sure say they deal with him like that. Make them make sure because this man is evil way past another this world. You will get pikin beat another person pikin like this, another person pikin. God, when I see this video, I cry. I say, God, why some people be say, as in their mind, evil mind, where they with them, when this man they beat this girl, he no evil reason of say this girl, the way they pass through this pains, not be small one. Your wife, they dare your husband, they beat or another person picking like this. And they say he gets another girl where they there again. That one just born picking. After 3 days again, they say make that one go also. After 3 days, they say make that one go also. That one say no, they begin they beat him too. But woman we just born picking. After 3 days, they say make she go also. Person we just born picking, I don't know say blood see they come out for her body. This man, this same man, so when I see do am, say make the girl go also. Mentally people, wait till they happen for this world now. Wait till this world they turn into. Why this man they wicked like this? Which kind of evil mind this man gets? As in, I know who born this man. Oh God. As they say they don't catch a wife now, the wife go bring your husband come out. He must make sure say he bring your husband come out. He must make sure say he bring the man come out. Because evil people, they're not supposed to go unpunished. Evil people. This man, God. No. They say when I see what this man they do girls for them. May they go rescue our girls for Libya. Or they should go and rescue them. This man is evil. This man a devil. Devil incarnate. Please. Anybody will know how to fit locate this girl family, may they locate them. And more than make sure so share this video in case they see the face, they go know say that their sister or not their daughter. Because this man not supposed to just go like that. They have to catch this man. Evil man. Hi. No, my darling people. This one pay me. Oh. Anybody will get any information, I beg, call me. My number they there, I beg.
Abia nisibe uta we na kwuru garu si okoko na ozo buru nwa ka ha gba wetin nwa m furu na internet ife gba ya otopia ya utara sno na Libya ta ka nna ekwe nkwa woru nwa wolo ka ejebe ife ni na mere ife je gbusi ha ncha niile to ba ha ime ha ye nwu uke mmadu ma family ha ka ha gba we mekọta nwa m furu na internet ha sno na Libya ka bịa bara nwa agbo bịa pịacha ya ife gba ya otopo ya mmiri agbana no jog ogun wonu mwo jog jebe na ogu je me ha jebe nno to ogbu iji ala obara je me gbara kwa ha mo bu nwoke mo nwa ka ha gba we papa nkata we me nwa ife ojo asi ngu je egbu ha egbegu nkwo ofu eburu kwe nkwo ewu kwe nkwo efi je me ehife gba hife na eme ndị ọzọ ọkwara ya ka ewu anụ onwe na apịa nwata kiri tari ọ na-ayọ ọ bụgoro na akwụna ka ọ na-agba agbana na ọdụ ugo mma jebe ọgụ na keje n'ori ọkwọ ntụ asị ebe gosi n'ụkwụ na ọfọ n'ugo oyi egbegu nkwo o tere igbo gbanụ nke mmụọ